very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea, a little shy, sad of eyes, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and as we spoke of anything